How to delete your Reddit account permanently. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Reddit account permanently. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Reddit account that you want to delete. Now once you're in here, in the top right corner there is the option of your profile icon. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to go on the user settings. So now once you're in the user settings, here you have to select off the account option, and from here you have to scroll down until you find the option of the delete account. Now once you are in here is the option of the delete account. You just have to click on it. So once you click on the delete account, you have the confirmation to delete your account. You just have to click on it and add all of your login details to delete your account permanently. But once you delete your account permanently, if you want to again log in your account, you can log in into 30 days again. But after that you are able to not connect and not recover your account again. So that's how you can delete your Reddit account permanently. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.